we were supposed to present it yesterday, but when I talked to Kevin, akaniambia atatafuta, we do it formally in a friendly way. People thought I would occupy. I cannot occupy somewhere that has patients. They are our first priority. Now we have a petition here regarding poor service delivery, negligence and disrespectful treatment of patients at Karatina General Hospital. I read this petition on behalf of concerned residents, that is generally. We're not going to details sababu imeshaandikwa. We will leave a copy here, the original copy, before we take the other CCs to where we were advised to take. The community has particularly raised the following concerns: negligence and delayed medical attention, unprofessional conduct by some members of staff, disrespectful and intimidating treatment of patients, lack of compassion and patients' dignity, erosion of public confidence in the hospital. They have requested that the hospital administration conduct an immediate and transparent investigation into reported complaints, reinforce professional conduct and patient care standards among all staff members, put in place effective supervision and accountability mechanism to prevent negligence and unprofessional conduct, establish a clear, accessible, and responsive patient feedback and complaint handling system, ensure that all patients are treated with dignity, respect, urgency, and compassion as required in the public service delivery. The petition is pursuant to the constitutional rights of citizens under Article 37 and Article 46 of the Constitution of Kenya, which guarantee the right of every citizen to present petition to public authorities and to receive service of reasonable quality for public institution. So we have written this respectively, and what I have as evidence as complaints, with the help of the administrator, singeyatacha hapa because ziko na majina za watu, the complaints. So what we will do, I will come and bring those with complaints. There are those that are willing to come physically, and there are those that have written, but we have not attached there because we have their names. And some of them are saying they know some of you. But I know you have handled some of them. But the complaint may have is mine, and I will report it here face to face, because I even called the administrator on Friday. I brought a patient here on Friday, and we had just come from her father's burial, and she fainted. We had, anavaa jacket za blue, caregivers, community caregivers. When they attended to her, we stayed like 30 minutes, haamki completely, and she was given sanitizer of nose, onion of nose, and she did not wake up. So when she started turning cold, the hands and the feet, a gentleman who is a member of the community service said this girl, when she learned of her father's death, she fell the same way, and he took her to Karatina General Hospital, and she was assisted. So we felt, what is the need of waiting? Akaekwa kwa gari yangu, and we brought the girl here. And I came direct pale kwa casualty. Na nikapark gari. I'm the one who walked out, because I've done that before with his help. I came out and I called out. There were 2 patients being taken care of, and there were 2 empty beds, if I'm not wrong. And I called. I said, excuse me, we have a patient. Kindly assist us kumtoa kwa gari. The person I found there, 2 of them were on phone. And one looked at me, she short and dark, looked at me and ignored me completely. So I walked out, and I was with a mzee nyumba kumi, his name is Sami. I told him, Sami, mshikanieni huyo mtoto, tumuingize sisi wenyewe, then we leave it from there. So they held her and wakamuingiza ndani. When we placed her on the bed, that lady, aliweka simu, kwanza alirusha hapo kwa kitanda, and told us in Kikuyu, sababu mmejiletea, mnaweza mshughulikia. Na Kikuyu, it sounds very weird. So I just looked at her, and I remember I told you, labda ako na stress. I know you can do day and night shift, ushikane upate burnout. So I walked out. We all walked out. But before And I walked out to go and remove my car from hapo kwa casualty, just in case any other patient is being brought in. Where I went to park, like a student, I know it's a student because it's a student Platinum University, call my name, Jackie, mumesema anaitwa aje? So I told her anaitwa Pansy Nyano. And we waited. After a while, I think she woke up because I was still in my car waiting turudi wapi mazishi because hakuwa amerusha mchanga. So while there, I don't know what happened in there, but they said wanataka mwenye wamemleta. It's the one who's in charge. Amemleta. So we deliberated, we decided, Jackie, wewe ndio umeleta na gari yako na huyu wa nyumba kumi. So we walked in. She was standing in there. And I remember when I walked in and I found Bansi seated, she smiled at me and I told her, now you're feeling okay? She did not even wait for the patient to respond. She told me, the hospital is mine. And I told her, madam, it's like you're having a problem. She told me she does not have a problem. She's the one running the hospital. Tunaweza jitengenezea huyo. And now it is Kikuyu, and she was shouting. Tunaweza jitengenezea huyo mgonjwa. I looked at her. I will be honest, nilisikia joto yote. Na nikatoka nje na nikatoa koti. And it's at that time I think Jimmy was called. The gentleman called Jimmy was called by another person anamjua. So by the time alikuwa anapigiwa, I asked nyumba kumi, can you go ask whether there is a bill? If there is no bill, tubebe mshana turudisha mazishi. Kwa hata mama yake. No, she said she wants to deal with the parents of the girl. And I remember I asked her, unataka nikuletee meano mwenye amekufa ama mamake mwenye hajui mtoto hata alianguka. Kwa sababu hatuwezi mwambia mtoto ameanguka. Because I know Reverend. Tuwezi mwambia mtoto wake ameanguka. She looked at me and told me, ni mko mwenye namu kama mtajipanga. So I think Sami anamjua. She's known because those people who went to talk to her are people who are calling her by name. She's known. And then akaongeleshwa and then we walked out with the patient. But when I was walking out, I can guarantee those who are there will tell you, perhaps you will see all the people who approached me complaining about that one person. That whole day alishinda akitusi watu. There's a shushu who approached me. Alikuwa na kinonda fresh hapa. She had her bandages. She had everything. Alikuwa amekuja, unaitangaje? Alikuwa amekuja dressing. Alikuwa amekaa from 8. I came here at around past 2. Na alikuwa shosho mzee akaniambia, Oria, nimete mnomu. I just looked at her. And I remember, even told you, I think she has burnout. Najua burnout. I have worked in a place where you get burnout and you project. And I know you saw, I went on social media and you have noticed she's known. She's very famous. Everybody came with their complaints. Some in my inbox, some who have delivered babies. In fact, description yake sitaka ku describe hapa, nitakuwa arrested. They described her until one of them said she has bipolar. If she has, may have bipolar. Actually, disorder 1. And I know my limits. I know nikiniramba, I'll walk to my boss, mwambie leo ni ile siku niko manic ama niko depressing. Can I have some days off? Because I know this hospital. Hata time yenye imepigwa kuna time nasemanga, my friend, just walk to a certain place. If not to a certain place, I normally call you. This issue needs an address. But from where we stand, mpeni off. I cannot say apewe off. Aende burnout ama on counselor. You have a mental. She has issues. All the caregivers that work in your establishment, all of them, they approached me as a group. I don't want to mention their names. As a group yesterday. And that's why we delayed this document. They have issues. Anawatusi. Au ndio mko nao kwa ground. Anawatusi, anawaignore. Wakileta patient, anawapeleka hivi. So I think she has a problem. If it can be addressed, siwezi advocate mtu afutwe kazi. Siana chakaiti kwa ya wakwa. I know everybody has issues. When you're coming to work, you have your problems. We cannot say you ignore your problems. We can only say you manage your problems. There's a reason he's in office, you're in office, and you're in the office. I'm sure you're human. Nikawaka hapa nikwambie kama employee ama nurse, siko na mood poa. Najua si reason nzuri ya kukosa kufanya kitu, but can you give me 15 minutes, 1 hour to compose myself and I'll be okay. Those are the only challenges I have. Hizo zingine sina evidence. Naona sijaandika vitu sina evidence ama nimeandika vitu based on customer delivery. Hizi zingine hata siwezi sema kwa mbele ya media or anything because I don't have evidence and there are challenges that are beyond your administration. Hiyo tunapeleka to government. Those challenges are those are government challenges, not directly a management challenge, because I believe the service charter of Karatina General Hospital and the ISO certificate is under the management that can be handled. That is the only thing that Team Kujituma wants to present to Karatina General Hospital. Yeah. 1 year ago or 2 years ago, people were moving from Murang'a, Kerugoya to come here. Tujafika hapo kwa kurudi nyuma. And there is a reason this establishment is receiving support, like a new ward for the maternity ward, some new equipment here and there, and generally Karatina General Hospital has been a good hospital, and in the hospital we have good doctors. I know several of them. I have met them today in the morning working here, including my good friend sitting next to me. This madam has been very good. Watu wakizimia huko kwa barabara na mpigianga and she assists where she can, where we know we can be able to assist, where we know we have to extend, we call Kevin and anacheza kama yeye, but within the law, and we are able to assist. But this issue of customer service is rating Karatina General Hospital hapa chini, because this gentleman will tell you when we were going yesterday, kuna kitu ina uchungu kama kuambia mtu, utaona signature ziko before hata explain, anaona tu jina Karatina General Hospital, later ni sign huko, hata siwezi rudi. You see, it was not the doctor. When you listen to them, it's not the doctor, neither is it the nurse, it is the service. Kuna mtu amekuongelesha vibaya, including the senator. He is a complainant in this region. I don't know whether you know. I know you are aware. When he had a free medical camp, are you aware the same lady was rude to him? Just be aware. She just learned it was him when he was walking away. He never talked. It is on record. It's on video. For 15 good minutes, ranting to someone you don't know. Uzuri anapenda amani kwenye hakuna. He walked away. But he had brought a free medical camp, I still remember. He walked away after amedescribewa na watu wanajua that lady. She atoragwo guo, akoragwo guo, ndomu manyerire, you know. He just ignored. But you see, if that is a mheshimiwa, then what? And that same lady on Friday tells me, sikujua ni wewe Jackie. Now that adds salt to me, because it means I need to be someone to receive good services. I believe we are all equal. Unajua ugonjwa inanga, cancer ikinipata ndio itapata tu anybody. Homa ikinipata itanipata, itapata anybody. We just treat people like with dignity. Naweza kuwa niko helpless. There's one thing I will say before I finish. The people we take care of, are also employees somewhere else. They are teachers, there could be, there are also nurses. Kuna wenye wanakuletangwa hapa labda ni wajamii, also nurses or anything. How we treat them? Would we want them to treat us the same way when we meet them in their offices? And I remember, ask her, I told her that these people you are seeing here are not stupid, they're just sick. But among them, there could be a teacher, na una mtoto anasomea shule yake, would you want that teacher to project the same energy to your child? She just looked at me. Mfanya jirani nyewe mweku. Yeah, I walked. And that's why I told you, either she has a problem. Ama kuretire najua inaweza leta pressure or she has a problem. So basically that is our petition. We will leave it here. And you will see the final page. It has given days as per the constitution, 14 working days. Just to give a response. Kama an establishment, not as individual. So tutakaa chini, you find a solution, then wananchi wafurahie wa Karatina University and beyond. No, Karatina town and beyond, so that they bring back the confidence. Because some are saying 3 years ago, 2 years ago, hii hospitali was the best. But orera thiki okagero ndo kiagira kali niguo irathuka. But mimi najua ijaharibika. There's a few elements here and there that can be guided. Nimesema not fired. Guided to do the right thing. Because hata mimi si niko perfect. Yeah, nobody's perfect. But when guided and reminded why you're a doctor, why you're a teacher. Najua yetu ni calling. The people who have a calling. Driver si calling. Driver ni kuamka ashike steering. But dealing with human beings I know is difficult. I'd rather deal with children than adults. Because adults are under you people. So it's very difficult to deal with them. But we have faith. We have faith. I assured the administrator, I can never occupy a hospital that has patients. Kuna mwenye anaweza sikia nduru huko na vuvuzela, apate heart attack na nitashikwa. So we decided to do it legally as per the public institution policies, so that we give you time even to investigate, to look into the issue and address it. Yeah, ni hivyo. Unless Zakero, anything to say?
One thing just to say is the improvement of services. Kuimprove service, kama hakuna video ilinikela kama hiyo msichana mwenye alikuwa anaongeleshwa na senator. Nasikia mpaka wenye walikuwa karibu wanasema na kiburi. So as the director, the best thing with this hospital, the service, hospitali iko sawa, even machine ziko sawa, but the services za patient, huyo patient atakuja hapa sababu amekuja kukujia mazuri, amekuja hapa sababu ako na shida. So as we improve the service, should be happy on that. Yeah.
My name is Kibara, the administrator, Karatina Hospital. We received a petition from Jitume, and we're going to go through the content as the management. We'll handle what is within our level, and we'll also forward what is not within our level to the chief officer and also the county government of Nyeri to be addressed. Otherwise, thank you so much for bringing this concern. We'll take it.
Thank you.
This is Mathira newspaper.